This 5-minute solution will show you how to delete or remove other system data from iPhone. So to free up your iPhone storage, follow these quick steps. So the first thing you can do is go to your Photos app, tap on Albums, scroll down, select Recently Deleted folder, and from here delete all photos from your recycle bin. And the second way is go to Messages, and from here delete all unwanted messages to free up your iPhone storage. And the next way is go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Safari, scroll down, tap on Advanced, Website Data, tap on Remove all website data, remove now. Once done, tap on Clear History and Website Data, clear history and data. So that's how you can delete or remove other system data from your iPhone to free up your iPhone storage. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.